Hey everyone, good evening. This is Scott at Scott Trades on X with StockMarketMentor.com. And my chart of the day. I want to take a look at SharkNinja. This is ticker SN. And SharkNinja is showing a great amount of relative strength on a day when the S&P pulled back under its 8-day exponential period moving average and the QQQ closed under all of its key moving averages. And so we're definitely seeing a bit of a tech sell-off, and some of that money could be floating into SharkNinja because it's holding up above all its key moving averages, and it closed right near a pivot of around 154.50. And so I would look for a move through and a close above 154.50 if we see some follow through momentum here on SharkNinja. Now, the volume on the day wasn't amazing, but it also wasn't lackluster. Like, it wasn't nothing. And even on the days where the stock pulled back, it pulled back on less than average volume and typically closed higher before the pullback. And so it looks like a stock that is basing above the key moving averages and closing just near resistance. So watch for SharkNinja to get above and stay above 154.50. That would be my trigger for a trade here on SN. And that's just one of many stocks we're looking at tonight over at StockMarketMentor.com. If you want help building your watch list, check out Scott's Trade Desk. That's my new show at Stock Market Mentor. My name is Scott McGregor at Scott Trades on X. I'll see you next time.